My name is Manish Mehra. I am the business head of Building Solutions and Steel, and I joined MRM in June beginning. So it has been less than 2 months as of now. I started working more than 30 years ago. Yeah, it looks like more than a lifetime. I joined Asian Paints in 1990, which is India's leading paint company and also one of the leading companies in Asia in the paints and coating industry. And the journey took me through different parts of the country in North and Western India. I was in sales, and some of the interesting experiences during the journey were launching of new products. Asian Paints wanted to become a more premium brand, so we launched some high-end products in the exteriors and interior space, which really helped in positioning Asian Paints as a premium brand in the country. And the experiences which I had in terms of promoting those products was really enriching. Another important part of my journey was a peek into rural markets in India, where we launched the first packet distemper for the rural markets, and the branch where I was, it became the leading branch for that category in the country. Moving on from there, I moved to Delhi, where I was handling Northern India, and we had just launched Color Worlds, which is the tinting solution at point of sales. And it was a very interesting journey in terms of when we made gains at competitive counters and gained market share from other companies. So this was in sales, and then I had a brief experience as factory manager of the oldest factory of Asian Paints, and that gave me a very different kind of insight into the other side of operations, like how discipline and consistency are required to keep churning out quality products day in and day out. And we also had a very involved exercise when we prepared the plant for the British Sword of Honor for Safety. It was an award which was announced, and the plant where I was, it went on to win that award. So this was in India. I spent 13 years in India, and then I moved overseas. So it was, now I have been out of India for more than 18 years. And the journey has taken me to different parts of the world, starting with China, 6 years, Egypt, 9 years, and last 2 years in Tanzania. So it has been, a great learning on how to see, the melting pot of cultures, and how to see different people function in different parts of the world. So it has really enriched me and my experiences across the last 30 years.